No soil. No sun. No traditional farms. Yet somehow, Japan is building a $4 billion farming industry. So what's the secret? And how are they growing food in places where farming shouldn't even exist? To understand this, we need to look at the problem first. Japan isn't built for farming. Over 70% of the land is covered by mountains. Flat farmland is extremely limited. And there's another issue. Farmers are aging fast. Young people are leaving agriculture behind. So the country faced a serious question. How do you grow more food with less land and fewer farmers? The answer wasn't to expand farms. It was to reinvent farming completely. Instead of fields, Japan built farms inside buildings. Welcome to the world of vertical farming. Here, crops grow in stacked layers, sometimes 10, 20, even 30 levels high. It's like turning a farm into a skyscraper. But here's where it gets crazy. There's no soil. These plants grow in nutrient-rich water systems called hydroponics. The roots absorb minerals directly, without needing soil at all. This means no weeds, no soil diseases, no wasted nutrients. And the biggest advantage? These farms use up to 90% less water than traditional agriculture. No soil is impressive, but no sun? That sounds impossible. Except, it's not. Plants don't actually need full sunlight. They only need specific light wavelengths. So Japan uses advanced LED lighting systems to give plants exactly what they need. Nothing extra, nothing wasted. The result? Faster growth, perfect quality, year-round production, no seasons, no bad weather, no risk. But this system wouldn't work without technology. These farms are powered by AI and automation. Sensors constantly track temperature, humidity, nutrient levels. AI systems adjust everything in real time. And robots? They plant, monitor, and even harvest crops. Human error is reduced to almost zero. Farming becomes a perfectly controlled machine. And this is where the real secret is revealed. This isn't just innovation, it's a $4 billion industry. Japan produces ultra-clean vegetables, high-quality greens, premium fruits. Every product is consistent. Every crop meets strict standards. That's why customers are willing to pay more. From local supermarkets to global exports, these futuristic farms are generating massive profits. And now, the rest of the world is watching closely. Because the challenges are global. Climate change, water shortages, population growth. Traditional farming is becoming harder. But this system, it can work anywhere, in cities, deserts, even underground. This could be the future of how humanity grows food. No soil, no sun, no limits. Japan didn't just improve farming, they changed it forever. And the real question is, if this is the future of food, are we ready for it?